Jai Hind, students of class 8. Yesterday we have taught about find out the square root, and now I am teaching exercise 3D. Exercise 3C I shall teach just after that. See here, find the square root of each of the following numbers by using the method of factorization. Question number 1. You have to find out the square root of the given number, that is 225. First of all, we should factorize it. This number is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5, and 5 to 7 to 9, that is this number will be also divisible by 3. 3 7 is 21, 1 5 3 5 is 15, and 3 2 is 6, 1 5 3 5 is 15, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5. Now a square root of 225 equal to under root 3 square into 5 square. So we shall take one number in a one pair, that is 3 square is a pair of 3. So we take only 3, and out of the pair of the 5 we shall take 5, that is 3 by the 15 is the answer of this question. Okay students? Question number 3. A square root of 7 to 9. We see that 7 plus 2, 9, 9, 18. It means 18 is the multiple of 3. So it is divided by 3. 3 2 is 6, 1 2 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6 2 1, and now 3 9, 3 3 is 9, and 3 1 is 3. That is under root 729 equal to under root 1 pair of 3 and 1 pair and 1 pair. That is 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. Now we shall take one numbers out of the pair, that is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27 is the square root given square root of the given number. Question number 4. 1296. The square root of 1296 by factorization method. Okay. Since last digit is 6, it is the divisible by 2. So the whole number is divisible by 2. That is 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 1 6 2 8 is 16. Now 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, and 2 4 is 8, 2 1 2 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, and 2 8 is 16, 1. Now 8 plus 1 9, that is it is divisible by 3. So 27, 3 9, 3 3, and by 3 it is 1. Now you can write under root 1296 equal to under root 1 pair, 1 pair, 1 pair, and 1 pair. That is 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 3 square. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. The square root of 1296 is 36. Now question number 7. 7556. It is divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6, 1 0 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 1 6 2 8 is 16. Now by 2 once again, 2 1 is 2, 1 5 2 7 is 14, 1 2 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 8 just 16, 1 6 2 8 just 16, 2 2 just 4, and 2 2 4 just 8, 2 4 just 8, 2 1 just 2, and 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. That is, it is divisible by 3. So 3 1 just 3, 1 4, 3 4 just 12, 2 1 3 7 just 21, 3 4 just 12, and 2 7 3 9 just 27, and by 7 7 7 just 49, and by 7 1. That is, we can write it 7056 equal to under root 2 square, that is 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 7 square, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, 84. Square root of 7056 equal to 84. Question number 10. 11,025. By prime factorization method, we have find out the square root of this number. That is, this number is 5 plus 2 7, 1 8 1 9, divisible by 3. 3 3 is 9, 2 0 3 6 is 18, 2 2 3 7 is 21, 1 5 3 5 is 15. By 3 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 1 5 3 5 is 15, and 5 to 7 to 9 1 10. So it is divisible by only 5. So 5 2 is 10, 2 2 5 4 is 20, 2 5 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, 4 5 5 9 is 45, and by 7 7 7 is 49, and by 7 1. That is, square root of 11,025 we can write by the product of the prime factorization, that is 3 square into 5 square into 7 square. Now 3 into 5 into 7, 3 5 is 15, 15 7 is 105. A square root of 11,025 equal to 105. And other question. Question number 12. $17,424. First of all, we shall divide by 2. 2 8 is 16, 1 4 2 7 is 14, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, and by 2 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 1 1 2 5 is 10, 1 2 2 6 is 12, and 2 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 1 5 2 7 is 14, 1 6 2 8 is 16. Again by 2, that is 2 1 is 2, 0, 1 7 2 8 is 16, 1 8 2 9 is 18, and 9 8 17 1 18. That is divisible by 3, 3 3 is 9, and 1 8 3 6 is 18, 3 3 is 9, and by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, by 11, 11, and by 11 1. That is 17,424 can be written like 2 square, 2 square, 3 square, 11 square. That is 2 square, 2 square, 3 square into 11 square. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12 1 is 12, 12 1 13. A square root of the given number is 132. Now students, in homework you will complete exercise 3D only from question number 1 to question number 12, and next day from the next question we shall teach this exercise also. Thanks students, have a nice day.